Sorry.
It's okay, Mom. It's okay. It's okay. Welcome back to Ben the Nerd. I'm Ben the Nerd himself. Nerdy as can be. But it's been a while, I know. But today, I want you guys to see something extra special. Our cats on Catnip. Oh. Let's see how this works. Hi, Turnip. Hey. See, you kind of lost your spark. Right while I was recording you. Here. Get a good long sniff of this. This is catnip. Catnip, turnip. Turnip, catnip. No, you cannot eat the plastic tube. No. Okay, fine. I'll get some out for you. Jeez. Okay. Oh no, you're already going crazy. Okay, go ahead. Bat my hand away when I was trying to give you exactly what you wanted. Oh man, this is adorable. Here's something cute and hilarious for all of our fans. See, she's like slithering. Here, let me get this. No, I was just trying to get this little piece of string off of you. Here, take it. Take your catnip. Take your kitty drugs. It's basically what it is. It's like just drugs for cats, and that's not very good, but it's adorable to watch. Anyways, let's look at our other cat, who is also been given a little bit of catnip. You are creepy when you are on catnip, Turnip. Oh man, it's turning. Hello, Monsieur Christmas Tree, big brother of Turnip. So, well, when I go grab something, you guys watch Christmas Tree. So this little tube of catnip, this right here actually came with this little toy squirrel. And it has a little pouch in it, and you're supposed to fill it with catnip. Well, I did that, and Christmas Tree kind of went crazy for it, so let me put a little bit, just a teeny tiny bit more nip in there. It smells like green tea. Okay. There, so now it's stuffed with catnip. So now I've just got to seal this off. And Christmas Tree, look, Christmas Tree. You're supposed to be doing cute stuff for our fans. Okay, I'm going to deal with Christmas Tree for the time being. You guys watch it. Oh, Turnip, you are such a weirdo. Wait. Oh man, I didn't get to record her. Oh my gosh, she was doing hilarious stuff. Christmas Tree. You want to do something cute for our fans? Oh, Christmas Tree. Okay. Well, I can't get him to cooperate. Here, in that case, Turnip, more for you. Hold on. Watch this, guys. Okay, now Turnip, do something adorable. Hey, Turnip. Is it a laser? You were liking the laser earlier. Laser. Laser, laser, laser.